Okay, this is Sam Kennedy again from the VCU Technology Services Fair. We're at the Network Services table. Guys, who are you, and tell us a little bit about network services.
All right, well, I'm Kush Patel with VCU Network Services. Deal with wireless and many other network-related issues going on at VCU.
All right, and you are?
I'm Dustin Black. I also do networking, wireless, infrastructure, pretty much.
All right, so what are some new things that are happening with network on campus? What can the community, the VCU community, see happening over the next few months?
Well, the biggest thing that's coming about is the N radios,
right.
the 802.11n.
Right.
It's faster, gives you more coverage, more people can connect to it in a given area. Places that you'll see N is at Cabell Library, Commons, TML Library, also at School of Business, School of Nursing, Hunton Hall, and Temple Auditorium.
All right, good. No?
Those are the biggest ones, and of course, as money comes to us, we'll add more.
Always with the money, Kush. That's right. Always with the money. So, what are some? Okay, so that's the wireless stuff. What are some of the wired things that are going on? I know we got the new connection that's up at Harris Hall.
Yes.
What's that going to do for the campus?
Yeah, sure. We were also doing a lot of fiber upgrades as far as getting fiber pulled from our main data center down to 900 East Main back up to Harris, which is going to be our disaster recovery site. To back up to the wireless, we're also about to deploy wireless guest access servers so that most users can create their own guest accounts for conferences, people coming on campus, and doing a lot of infrastructure upgrades as far as back-end stuff that the end user won't see, but will improve network performance quite a bit. We also recently brought up another link that increased the speed to the internet substantially. So
everybody likes bigger pipes. So let's go back to the guest thing real quick. So say I'm a student. I'm obviously an older student, but I'm a student and I have my parents come in and I want to set them up. Well, will I be able to do that? Do I have to call you guys? How do you think that'll work? And I know it's probably not all firmed up yet, but how do you think it'll work?
I think in the beginning we're going to do a pilot with the help desk and then maybe staff, faculty, and the technical term that they use is called a lobby ambassador, that person can actually create guest accounts. In the beginning, it's probably just going to be the help desk. Once it's decided, I mean, technically a student could create guest accounts. I don't know if it's ever going to make it that far, but it's going to streamline the process. As soon as they call the help desk or the guest account is created, it'll be active immediately. There's going to be no wait times, and it can work for pretty much as long as they specify a day, couple hours, start 2 days from now, last for a week, last for 30 days, or whatever needs to happen.
Does that just give them a connection out to the internet, or can they hit university resources as well?
For the guest wireless, it's essentially just going to be the internet. Probably we haven't decided what ports are going to be open yet. It may just be very basic since it is guest access. If you have a VCU ID and then you connect to the regular VCU, you'll get a little more. And then if you go through the process of setting up the SafeNet, then you'll even get more resources and maybe even possibly more bandwidth. So.
Well, that's pretty exciting. Is there anything else y'all want to tell the VCU community about before we move on?
I think
we're good. Go Rams.
I think we're good.
All right, well, good. Well, thank you very much. This is Sam Kennedy from the VCU Tech Fair. We'll see you later.